Good morning once again from the Sustainability Pavilion at the World Government Summit. Very pleased to welcome Mr. Jayesh Patel, of course, the CEO of Wio Bank. Thank you very much. A very interesting session indeed. Digital banking, where are we in the United Arab Emirates and in the Middle East, and what's special about Wio?
So thank you very much for having me. I think, I think the UAE is at the forefront of it. Yeah, you can open accounts in a few minutes.
Yeah.
Whether you're an individual, in businesses, you can now open accounts fairly quickly. You can transfer money globally. You get insights to manage your money better. So I think we are at the forefront of some of these changes right now. I think regionally, I think the whole region is really exciting. There are many countries coming up with regulations, new digital banks coming across. So I think the next 10 years, we will see a significant rise in digital banking in the region.
Yeah, but the impact of digital banks on the climate change and basically the environment across the UAE. How do you foresee your impact?
Look, I think it's if you talk about it from an ESG perspective, the more the digital service is, the lesser the footprint. Yeah, we don't have branches. We don't send around paper documents everywhere. It's all done digitally, validated, instant. And therefore, if you look across the board, it starts doing a few things. One, it is a much greener footprint.
Absolutely.
Two, it starts opening up the economy and empowering a new set of customers, because now the cost to serve goes down. You can serve customers at every level. And I think that helps economic and social growth.
Especially for SMEs, perhaps?
For SMEs and individuals. Individuals in developing economies, I think digital is the best way to distribute financial services to them. And you'll start seeing a lot more economic growth because of it.
All right. In terms of security, of course, is paramount for you at Wio. And amid all those glitches and cybersecurity challenges across the world that can come from any country, what are the measures at Wio?
Yeah, look, it's an increasingly important question when you start becoming a digital economy. I think there's multiple layers of it. Look, we work with some of the best companies around the world. We work on some of the latest platforms. So we make sure we are continuously checking and improving and controlling access to our platforms. I think it's a daily activity, and I think you have to work with multiple facets, have strong capabilities internally, but work with global partners also to make sure you're safe and secure.
Yeah. What is next at Wio in terms of the green economy?
Look, we'd love to start creating products that helps drive the growth of this sector. We believe it is the future and it's going to form an important part of the economy. We need to work with the players to figure out what construct works. But we think there's a very exciting decade of ESG coming up. So we're very excited.
Mr. Patel, thank you very much for being with us today.
Thank you very much for having me.